Business Proposal, prepared by Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering, 3rd year. Hi there! Are you looking for a consulting firm that will help you build your future home? Tap in if you are. MClick Construction Consultancy at your service. The Proponents, Damasino Marjolyn, Edianel Krisma Joice, Lingas Lhana Joy, Mañas Isabel, and Palasigue Cris. Table of Contents. First section, Background of the plan. Second section, Methodology. Third section, Other Information. And the fourth section, the Documentation. Engineering Consultation Firm. Engineers keep inventing for mankind to evolve, protect lives, prevent disease, and protect the planet, save, clean, and enhance our land. Engineers find an appropriate solution to an issue using their knowledge in science, mathematics, and logic. Civil engineers design, build, and maintain the foundation for our modern society. Our buildings, roads and bridges, drinking water and energy system, seaports and airports, and the infrastructure for a cleaner environment, to name just a few. Consultation occurs when a client who needs an opinion on some engineering problems avail himself of the expert knowledge and the experience of a consulting civil engineer. Consultations may be brief or extended and may sometimes require considerable travel and a substantial portion of the consultant's time. Investigation. Most consultation usually requires some study and investigation which involve analysis and simple computation, while other may require field trips to observe and inspect equipment or structures. Still again, they may involve a review of studies, reports, investigation, or communication prepared by other engineers or by the client's management.
The MClick Construction Consultancy aims to provide the following objectives. First, we will assure our clients that we will provide, offers, maintain, and sustain high quality of service. Second, we will strive harder to reach the client's expectation. Third, we will operate with high integrity to the satisfaction of the clients. And fourth, to achieve outstanding customer relations by attending timelessly to clients' needs and requirements.
Significance of the study. The significance of conducting this study is to know the demands of the target market regarding of the proposed product in order to determine how operates inspecting the work of construction contractor, what are the obvious ideas on sustainability, and given advice and help in develop the projects, or how to make the product match target market wants is extremely important satisfaction. And these are the people who will benefit on this project. The first one is the owner. The proposed amendment would provide individual and group that owns the asset of the firm and profit from them. Owner must pay close attention to both costs of construction and the asset quality of the finished product. The cost of facility operation and maintenance must be taken into account if the owner are to meet their investment goals throughout the project's lifespan. This is because these costs are necessary component of the life cycle of the project. Despite the numerous advantages of owning your own company, such as the financial risk, personal liability, time commitment, and the other advantage like flexibility, financial reward, the chance to invent, and a chance to have an impact on your own community. Second, the customer. The proposed amendment will give confidence and assurance to the customer that they will avail our service to make sure that their houses are stable and to meet their satisfaction to our services. It's important to give attention to all client requests, no matter how little, especially if they ask for advice when it comes to their house and how to reach the satisfaction of the client. It's crucial that you and your clients and the other experts working on the project be on the same page, because what may seem like a low priority to you may big priority to a client. And the last one is government. The proposed amendment will give benefits to the government as the owner pay the required taxes, and it also help to be responsible business owner. Government will provide businesses with a wider range of options for achieving their goals, instead of requiring companies to provide particular employee benefits in particular ways, such as healthcare and pensions. For instance, they will instead permit companies over a certain size to pay a minimum amount per employee into a common fund that is accessible to those who do not receive such benefits.
Scope and limitations. MCLI Construction aims to provide high-quality and appropriate services for its clients, and our company will offer a variety of services including packages 1, 2, and 3, and this company will only serve Samarica.
The MCLI Construction Consultancy will be located at San Roque, San Jose Occidental, Mindoro. Since it is near in the market, it can easily reach and visit by the future clients. Since we are surrounded by technology, clients will inquire and book an appointment through the contact informations that we will be posting in the social media platforms. As for its space, the MCLI Construction Consultancy will rent a commercial space in San Roque, San Jose Occidental, Mindoro. All the fees, including permits and requirements, will be shouldered by the proponents. So here's the location of MCLI Construction Consultancy. As you can see, on the right side, it is the map where MCLI Construction Consultancy can be located, while on the left side, it is the commercial space where we are planning to rent.
A service description includes information about the service, how it's provided and used, and what the customers will get from the service. The proposed business, MCLI Construction Consultancy, will be located at San Roque, San Jose Occidental, Mindoro. Its services will offer trusted advice and directions to ensure the success of your project from the beginning to the end. The proposed business offers three kinds of services package: the consultation and site visitation, and the consultation, site visitation, and signature.
Service process. MCLIC, a San Jose-based consulting firm, it also provides 3 service packages. Package 1 includes only consultation around Samarica. Package 2 includes consultation and site visit. And Package 3 includes consultation, site visit, and engineer signatures. Customers must also be able to pay in advance for the consultation and site visit.
The research methodology discusses and explains the data collection and analysis methods we use in our research. This is the chapter that explains that we did and how we did it, allowing readers to evaluate the reliability and validity of our research. In this research, we use data collection survey to collect information from a targeted people. Tinanong namin ang mga tao tungkol sa kanilang opinyon, pag-uugali at kaalaman towards our proposed business. We also asked their requirements and preferences for the services of a MCLI Construction Consultancy. Ang isa pang paraan na ginamit ay ang paghahanap sa internet to add more information to our research.
Target market. The target market of this proposed business is the residents of Samarica, San Jose, Rizal, Magsaysay, and Calintaan, and other different sectors of Occidental Mindoro.
Since we are in a business world, we should have the marketing strategy that specializes to provide a quality consultation in building your future home. We have here product or service strategy. This focuses on how we will offer our packages, but we can assure you that our service has its high quality. While for the pricing strategy, we offers different prices of services with its different services respectively. But since San Jose is still in a progressing stage, MCLIC Construction Consultancy will have its budget-friendly priced. Next is promotion strategy. Since we are beginners to this kind of business, we will promote using technology. By the help of social media, we can easily promote our business. Lastly, product or service distribution strategy. Since we will offer three packages, the first two will have its full cash payment while the other one will have its half down payment after site visitation. It is normal to have a competition in business world. Our proposed business will have a competitors which are the construction companies that are near in the area and the consultation firm that offers online.
Demand and supply analysis. Since our business offers service, the demand would be based on the number of people acquiring a service, and the supply would be the consulting engineers, since their time and knowledge are the ones that serves as our product. The demand per day is approximately 20 to 30 clients a day, which would possibly give us an amount of approximately 15,000 as an income. And as for the supply, the engineers on duty are 3 people every day who can accommodate 8 to 10 people in 8 hours. So, here's the table that shows the possible clients that we have accommodated in a week, month, and a year. And it also shows the approximate income of our company within a week, month, and our annual income.
List of machineries and equipment. Particulars. All in one PC. Quantity 4. Each cost 12,500. Total cost of 50,000 pesos. Epson L3100 printer. Quantity 2. Each cost 9,500 pesos. Total cost 19,000. Epson L110 printer. Quantity 1. Each cost 2,500. Total cost 2,500 pesos. Hard hat. Quantity 3. Cost 500. Total cost 1,500. Fire extinguisher 1. Cost 1,500. Total cost 1,500. Stand pan 3. Cost 1,500. Total cost 4,500 pesos. Ban 1. Cost 300,000 pesos. Total cost 300,000 pesos. Total machineries and equipment is 379,000 pesos. Furniture and fixture. Particulars. Office table. Quantity 3. Each cost 6,000 pesos. Total cost 18,000 pesos. Information desk table. Quantity 1. Cost 1,950 pesos. Total cost 1,950 pesos. Office chair. Quantity 4. Each cost 2,000. Total cost 8,000 pesos. Visitor chair. Quantity 6. Each cost 1,200 pesos. Total cost 7,200 pesos. Wooden cabinet. Quantity 1. Cost 6,500. Total cost 6,500 pesos. Total furniture and fixtures 41,650 pesos.
Capacity and rescheduling. We aim to accommodate 20 to 30 people a day. Our office will accept clients from Monday to Saturday. In the morning, we are open from 8 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and in the afternoon, we are open from 1 p.m. to 5:30 p.m.
Waste disposal. The management will always maintain the cleanliness of the area by providing garbage bins. The proponents will coordinate to Centro San Jose for the regular collection of garbage. It is needed to know how we dispose a waste that we will be using in our proposed business. Dahil ito ay para sa kapakanan natin at ng mga tao sa paligid natin. Safety first and cleanliness is a must.
The proponents of this business plan was also the owner of the M-Click Construction Consultancy. When it comes to capital of the business, we will have an equal share investments.
Since our company is owned by different people, each of us are assigned to be responsible in one specific area. Organizational and management structure. Ms. Krisma Joice Edianel is the financial manager, while the general manager is Ms. Lhana Joy Lingas. The marketing manager is Ms. Marjolyn Damasino. Operational manager is Ms. Cris Palasigue, and the human resource manager is Ms. Isabel Mañas. So we've decided to hire 2 personnel, the information desk officer and the utility. Financial managers generally oversee the financial health of an organization and help ensure its continued viability. They supervise important functions such as monitoring cash flows, determining profitability, managing expenses, and producing accurate financial information. A general manager is an executive who has overall responsibility for managing both the revenue and cost elements of a company's income statement, known as profit and loss responsibility. Marketing managers organize and manage marketing campaigns to raise awareness of and generate demand for products and services. This broad definition can encompass a wide variety of activities including designing, managing, and evaluating marketing campaigns, directing social media engagement strategy. In most business, operation managers oversee the big picture of their organization. They are responsible for managing processes, purchasing, accounting, human resources, inventory, and IT. There are different levels to an operations manager's career path. Human resources managers plan, coordinate, and direct the administrative functions of an organization. They oversee the recruiting, interviewing, and hiring of new staff, consult with top executive on strategic planning, and serves as link between an organization's management and its employees.
Job description and qualification. General manager, responsible for innovation of the business system, control the company's overall activities. General manager's duties include creating an overall strategy, overseeing people, and setting policies. In order to be effective in this position, you should be a thinking leader and a self-assured decision maker who can support your employees' growth and productivity while ensuring that your profits are increasing. In the end, you'll contribute to the business expansion and success. Financial manager, handle finances and expenses, producing accurate financial reports and information, develop trends and projection for the firm's finances, maintain the financial health of the organization. A financial manager has different roles and duties. Financial managers frequently interact with managers and other decision makers. They must possess great communication skills. Marketing manager, responsible for the promotion of the business or service, manage marketing related issues, responsible for conveying the appropriate messaging to draw in new clients and keep existing ones. In order to coordinate marketing efforts and supervise marketing personnel, marketing managers frequently work for organizations across industries. They collaborate closely with members of the advertising or sales teams to make sure the marketing campaigns match the introduction of new products and consumer demands. Their responsibility is to manage the department's marketing budget and improve the effectiveness of campaign tactics. Additionally, they could be in charge of organizing and carrying out brand events or product releases as a component of marketing campaigns. Utility. Responsible for doing basic tasks, maintaining maintenance tools, cleaning designated areas both within and outside the property, unexpected utility installations, talking verbal and written instruction from company managers and maintenance officers, ensuring that utility projects have been completed and signed off. Cleaning and maintaining company facilities and assets is the responsibility of utility personnel. They are responsible for maintaining the company's facilities, fixing damaged machinery, checking the quality of final work, and adhering to state health and safety laws. And also utility workers will be operating maintenance vehicles and equipment. Some companies can insist that they will obtain a commercial driver license. Utility workers must be in a good physical shape and have the ability to comprehend written works orders. Information Desk Officer. Maintain records and files, responsible answering all the client's questions and incoming calls. The front desk representative will handle all administrative and receptionist tasks at the desk of our main entrance. All visitors will see you as the face of the business, and it will be you who sets the tone for their experience, making visitors and guests feel welcome and appreciated while they're on our property is our own concern. Consultant, responsible to conduct situational and data analysis to identify and understand a problem or issue, engage in short-term or long-term projects to address various difficulties and demands, responsible to provide advice or suggestion for improving according to objectives. A consultant to provide reliable guidance in their area of specialization and will be accountable for conducting an analysis and offering new insight into a scenario. An excellent consultant is knowledgeable about issues pertaining to their field. They're quite good at figuring out the root of issues and clearly outlining the recommendation for fixes. The goal of consultant is to help your business be more functional and successful.
Temporarily, partners will perform other positions like managers. Each partners will receive an honorarium of 27,520 pesos monthly. For other positions like information desk officer and utility, the management will hire and they will receive 13,680 monthly as their salary. So here's the summary of annual salary of the employees. So the particulars are Damasino Marjolyn, Edianel Krisma Joice, Lingas Lhana Joy, Mañas Isabel, and Palasigue Cris. For their daily salary, they will receive 1,720 pesos. While for weekly salary, 6,880 pesos. For monthly, 27,520 pesos. And for the annual salary, they will receive 330,240 pesos. While for the other personnel, we have information desk officer and utility. They will receive a daily salary of 570 pesos, weekly salary of 3,420 pesos, monthly salary of 13,680 pesos, and for their annual salary, they will receive 164,160 pesos. The proposed business has its approximate clients that will accommodate within a week. 84 clients for package 1, 12 clients for package 2, and 6 clients for package 3. We come up for this estimation since we have a target of 15,000 sales per day. As shown in the presentation, we have here the prices. For package 1, as consultation itself, whether clients are from San Jose, Magsaysay, Rizal, and Calintaan, it has the same rate, 500 pesos per consultation. For package 2, consultation and site visitation, the price will depend on its location. If the site is around San Jose, the rate will be 1,500, while if it is located in Rizal and Magsaysay, the rate will be 1,800, and for Calintaan, since it is the farthest, the rate will be 2,300. And for the last package, which is consultation, site visitation, and engineer signature, the prices are also depends on its location. For San Jose, 5,000, Magsaysay and Rizal will be 5,300, and Calintaan, 5,800. We added into our package 3 the engineer signature because it is one of the requirements for the connection of electricity. The residential house or building should have its engineer for the safety. Addition to the financial assumption, the MCLIC Construction Consultancy will have its gross sales and direct costs increase in 10% annually, and preparating expenses will increase in 5%. Annually, the shareholders will have its withdrawal.
Total project cost. The total project cost of proposed business will be 1,035,710 pesos. This will set as our capital that can be provided all throughout the entire project. Project costs are the entire sum of money required to cover and finish a commercial transaction or work project. Project cost involves direct costs and indirect costs. Direct costs are those expenses directly related to and required to perform the project in question. Also including to direct costs are professional working on the project, equipment, materials, project management tasks, engineering tasks, and any transportation. Indirect costs, operating overhead expenses, and target annual salary. Indirect costs are expenses that don't directly contribute to project completion but are nevertheless necessary for the business or person working on the project. As a result, they are included in each project cost, and the partners will provide the majority of the funds needed to launch the business. The partners will contribute a total of 207,142 pesos.
So, for our source of funding, since our business is a partnership between five people, the fund would come from our own pockets. The five of us would invest to make our dream business come to life.
So here's the breakdown of our capital requirements. Direct cost was explained by Ms. Edianel and it will be cost 566,400 pesos. And for machineries and equipment, discussed by Ms. Mañas, was 379 pesos, as well as furnitures and fixtures with a cost of 41,650 pesos. For the pre-operating expenses, we have the salary expenses with 27,360, electric and water bills expenses 5,000, advertising expenses 1,000, rent expenses 8,000, internet and communication expenses 1,800, permits and licensing 3,500, miscellaneous 2,000, with a total preparating expenses of 48,660. For the total capital requirements, we have 1,035,710 pesos.
For the SWOT analysis of our firm, first, our construction consulting firm's strength is that it offers high-quality services, and our engineers have extensive training and hands-on experience. We're a firm that offers a low-cost service, and we will make certain that our teams oversee the projects from start to finish. Second one, our company's potential weaknesses as a new construction consulting firms is that we have few customers. For the opportunities, we have openings in our company for new engineers and those who want to be a part of our team, and we will make certain that our company is capable of providing excellent service. Last is one of the potential threats to our company firm is a lack of professional engineers. as well as several competitors in the field of construction consultancy firms.
Conclusions and recommendations. The proposed venture entitled M-Click Construction Consultancy, the target market of the proposed business is the residents of Samarica and the other different sectors of Occidental Mindoro. The total projected cost of the proposed business will be 1,035,710 pesos. This will set as our capital that can be provided all throughout the entire project. Based on the results of the study, the establishment of M-Click Construction Consultancy is workable, viable, and profitable.